In this video, I will share new print-on-demand and Etsy updates to help you stay informed as a seller. Printify is now offering express delivery, so your customer can now receive their order within just 2 working days for a small additional cost. This is a great way to be more competitive on Etsy, as well as to be more competitive with other online retailers such as Amazon. And there are a few catches with it which I do want to talk about. So the first one is, in order to ensure the delivery within 2 working days, the Printify platform will automatically choose the best place provider for each order, so you can't necessarily choose what print provider will fulfill that specific order. And express delivery is only currently available for 2 of their most popular t-shirts in the most popular color options. It's available for merchants selling on Etsy, Shopify, and Walmart, as well as for ordering manually. So which products have the express delivery option? It is available for the Bella Canvas 3001 in sizes small through 3XL, and the color options that are available are black, white, navy, dark gray heather, and athletic heather. And express delivery is also available for the Gildan 5000 sizes small through 3XL for black, white, navy, and sport gray. And Printify is saying that they will have more products available in the future that will be eligible for express delivery. And express delivery isn't nearly as expensive as I thought it would be. It only costs $7.99. Something to consider though, if you're deciding on offering express delivery in your store, is when you set your products to use express delivery, your orders will be directed to the print provider that is best placed to deliver within 2 business days. So unfortunately, there's no way for you to choose what print provider will fulfill that order if it has express delivery. And with that too, the product price you will be charged can vary, sometimes being slightly lower or higher than the selected product price, depending on what print provider it is fulfilled with. So you do need to give yourself a buffer when it comes to pricing your listings to ensure that you are making a profit when someone chooses express delivery. And it sounds like in the future, I'm keeping my fingers crossed that Printify will continue to expand upon this, and eventually you'll have more control over who will deliver those products when a customer orders with express delivery. Another thing to note too is, because you have no control over what print provider will be fulfilling that order, the print size may slightly vary. So Printify says they're still working on standardizing print sizes for all express delivery orders, but in cases where this is not possible, they do make minor automatic adjustments, printing up to 1 inch smaller in width and length. So that's another thing to keep in consideration if you're considering offering this or not in your store. And here's another thing to consider as well. So if an order contains regular products in addition to express delivery products, the products ordered with express delivery will be shipped separately from the products with standard delivery. And then they say, due to multiple shipping methods, the order will be divided into separate orders in Printify. And if you decide to offer express delivery in your store, and then a few weeks later or a month later you decide you don't want to offer it anymore, you are able to easily deactivate it. So overall, this is a super exciting update. You can now be more competitive as an Etsy seller with other sellers that might be doing it in-house, as well as with other online retailers like Amazon, who do a really quick turnaround time for shipping. Another great benefit to this is, during the holiday season, you can sell for a longer time because your deadline will not be as early. So let me know down in the comment section if you're going to offer express delivery in your store or not. The next update is Printify now has an AI image generator. Whether you're an experienced designer or you're just starting out, their new AI image generator will allow you to create some really unique designs for your customers. So every registered Printify merchant receives 15 free image generation attempts per day, and each used attempt is reset after 24 hours. And Printify is saying in the upcoming releases of this feature, there will also be an option to acquire extra attempts. And you can see a few examples here of the dogs that were created by AI. So how you would use this is, you would select a product from their catalog and then open the mockup generator. And then next you'll select AI image generator, and this is where you will then need to input a prompt. And they walk you through how you set up that prompt. So first you'll choose the main object. So start by selecting the main object for your prompt, such as mountains, ladybug, or Labrador wearing sunglasses. And they even say the main object can consist of 1 or multiple elements. Next you choose the setting, so to determine where it takes place, such as forest or city. And you can also specify the color of the background, which is cool. And if you have a specific concept in mind, you can include it in the prompt, such as a dog walking on the moon or whatever it might be. And then next you'll enhance your prompt with descriptive adjectives that convey the desired image quality or mood. And you really can be as specific as you'd like. And then lastly, choose the image style. So choose the desired image style for the available options. If you have a different style in mind, select none and include additional modifiers in your prompt. You can use modifiers that emulate specific art styles like pop art, Renaissance, minimalism, or geometric, as well as textures like 3D and more. So really the options are endless when it comes to AI, and now with this new update within Printify, you can get creative and see what type of designs you can create for your customers. And another thing I want to note here is they say the resolution of the generated image is 512 by 512 pixels. So if you're designing products that require higher resolution designs, you don't need to worry because they will automatically upscale that image to meet the necessary requirements when sending the order to production. So I know AI is a controversial topic. Let me know in the comment section down below if you're for AI or against it. The next update is branding inserts. So you can add personalized touch to your store products. You can set up branding inserts that showcase your brand's identity. And you can set this up in your branding settings on your Printify account. And then from there, you'll select Start Designing to open the mockup generator. And you'll see here an example of what it will look like. So within Printify, you're able to design your insert in the mockup generator. And here's a great example. So thanks for your purchase. Enjoy 15% off on your next order. And you can get creative with this and decide what it is you want to include in this insert. But it's a great way to stand out and to add that extra touch for your customer within your package. So you will need to enable the branding insert feature for your store. So after you save your design, you'll see a mockup of your insert as you see here. And then you'll need to turn on the switch to enable the branding insert features for your selected store, just as you see here. And then going forward, the branding insert will be automatically included in all orders containing a product from one of the print providers that offers this feature. So when you go to the Printify catalog here for whatever product it is that you're offering, you can see next to the print provider if they offer branded inserts or not. And at the moment, there are only 2 that offer this. So you'll see here Monster Digital, they offer branded inserts as well as Daimana Tea. And if I go up here to Monster Digital, I'll select more details and then select branding. And you'll see here right now it is free to offer these branded inserts until October with the selected print providers. So if you want to experiment with it, now is the time to do so. So you'll see the size of the branded insert is 6x4, and it's a great way to leave a nice message for your customer. And my guess is they're going to continue to expand upon this and more print providers will offer this feature. But as of now, it's just Daimana Tea and Monster Digital, but coming soon, SwiftPOD will offer branded inserts as well. Next up is some exciting new features within EverBee. If you're not familiar with EverBee, it's a Chrome extension plugin to help you with your trend research as well as keyword research. For example, let's say we're doing some trend research for Halloween t-shirts. I will go to the left-hand side here and select Product Analytics. And then I can sort this by estimated monthly revenue and it will show me estimates for these top performing listings. But something that's new and exciting, if I select one of these listings here, I can scroll down to the bottom here and it will show me the different keywords that this specific listing is using. And not only will it show me the keywords, it will show me the volume. So this is the estimated average searches per month on Etsy, but I now have access to competition as well. So the number of competing listings there are for this specific keyword, as well as it will give me a keyword score depending on how this keyword is rated for search volume to competition. So the whole idea here is when doing your keyword research is you want to find a keyword that has a high search volume and low competition. So with EverBee, you're now able to quickly do this. So you can see these keywords, see what one has high search volume, low competition, as well as the keyword score. So an example here, this specific keyword, you can see the search volume 1,972, the competition is 34,964, and the keyword score is 60. So this keyword here is one that you would want to target. You'll see the keyword score is the score based on a ratio of estimated search volume versus the number of competing listings. So high score typically means it's easier to rank in the Etsy algorithm and there is relatively high demand and low competition. Once you find one that has a high keyword score, you can easily select the keyword and that will then copy it to your clipboard. So then you can go and easily add it to your title and your tags for your listing. Another exciting new feature is if you scroll to the top here, you can now select on shop details and it will give you a brief overview of the shop so you can see how many total sales they have, their shop age, their total reviews, as well as how many listings that they have. But the best part of this is within this tab here, you can select analyze shop listings, and with just a click of a button, it will then go and analyze all of the listings for this specific shop. And then I will select analyze all listings, and then I can sort this by estimated monthly revenue, and now I can see the listings that are selling the best for this shop. The next update is Etsy is now having a feature where customers can make an offer on your listings. The idea with this is it's a new pricing tool to let buyers make offers on your listings and help you move inventory. But if you're doing print on demand, you don't have sitting inventory, but I do believe you can get creative with this new feature and it can really benefit you as a print on demand seller. So how this feature works is Make an Offer will give you more flexibility on how you price your items and move inventory so you can grow your shop on your own terms. So this tool is only available to sellers who have their shop currency set to US dollars for now. It may change later on. But how it works is you select which listings you want to include, or if you want to include all of them, you can. And the next thing you'll do is you'll set the maximum discount you'll consider so you don't have to sort through lowball offers. Discounts can be 20, 30, or 40% off your list price. And their example here is they say if you have a $100 listing and you choose a maximum discount of 20% off, if a buyer submits an offer below $80, Etsy will let them know that their offer is too low and you as a seller will not be notified, so you don't have to waste time on offers you wouldn't accept. But you do also have the option to receive all offers. So you'll choose this option if you want to be notified of every offer you receive, no matter the price. And the benefit of this is seeing all of the offers you receive may give you more info about shoppers' price expectations, helping you shape your pricing strategy. And this is one of the major benefits of this feature for print-on-demand sellers. It will help you decide on how to price your products. Buyers will see Make an Offer button on the listings you choose to include. If a buyer is interested in an item and wants to discuss the price, they can submit an offer. Buyers can also request a specific quantity of items if they're trying to purchase in bulk, which is really cool. And you'll receive all of your offers through Etsy's messages tool, so if you want to accept a buyer's offer, just follow the prompts to send an adjusted price to the buyer. Then they can continue to check out right from the message. And this is something that's interesting too. The adjusted price is only valid for 48 hours and can only be used by that customer and on that specific listing. If buyers have other targeted offers or promotion codes for the listing, only the offer with the highest discount will apply at checkout, with the exception of free shipping coupons, which can be used in conjunction with other offers. So you are able to discuss the pricing further with the customer via the messages. Then once you reach an agreement, you can then send them an adjusted price for that amount. And just like express delivery with Printify, you can try this feature out, and if you decide it's not for you, you can easily turn it off in your store. 4 reasons to consider allowing offers: clear out stale inventory, encourage shoppers to buy in bulk, make sales you might have missed, and then to be able to test your pricing. And then the last thing to note here is if you include this in your shop, offer messages do not affect your star seller response rate if that's something that you're concerned about. And I'll briefly show you how you would set this up. So you'd go over to your shop manager, and then on the left hand side you would select marketing, and then select sales and discounts, and then down here you will select setup, and then you just simply choose if you want this to be available for all of your listings or specific listings. And then you'll have to decide if you want to set a maximum discount you'll consider, or if you want to receive all offers. And then after doing so, you'd hit save and apply. Out of all these new updates that I shared with you, let me know down in the comments which one you're most excited about. And if you want to know 10 different trend research hacks to find your next bestseller, watch this video right here. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.